Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to enable reduce motion on Roblox application step by step. This feature is super useful if you want to minimize screen animations, reduce visual effects, or just make Roblox easier on your eyes. First of all, open up Roblox application on your device and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the three-dot menu which says More at the bottom right. And from the More menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Device Preferences. After you open up Device Preferences, toggle on the button right next to Reduce Motion. Once you enable this option, this will limit or disable certain animations and effects, making movement transitions smoother and less flashy. You can now exit the settings menu and then rejoin a game to see the difference. You will now notice fewer camera shakes, animations and effects, great for focus and comfort. And that's how you can easily enable reduced motion on Roblox easily. This small tweak can really help improve your gameplay comfort, especially if you prefer smoother and less distracting experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.